Hi everyone, here we will see about regenerative braking of induction motor. So why it is required, how regenerative braking works in this video we will see. An induction motor is subjected to regenerative braking if the motor rotates in the same direction as that of stator magnetic field. So how when it will occur? When the motor is rotates in the same direction as stator magnetic field, but with a speed generate greater than the synchronous speed. Such a state occurs during one of the following process. Synchronous motor is never runs more than the synchronous speed. It's an induction motor. Induction motor never runs more than the synchronous speed. Suppose if runs more than the synchronous speed, such a state occurs during any one of the following process. Downward motion of a loaded hoist mechanism during flex weakening mode of operation of induction motor. So when it will occur, downward motion of loaded hoist mechanism and during flex weakening mode of operation of induction motor. So under regenerative braking mode, the machine acts as an induction generator. So which produces the induced EMF, and if oppose the supply voltage, then it acts as an induction generator. And also the speed of the motor is greater than the synchronous speed. The induction generator generates electrical power, and this power is fed back to supply. This mechanism takes only the reactive power for excitation. The speed characteristics of motor for regenerative braking is as shown in the figure. The speed is increases, torque also. So torque increases sometimes, and sometimes torque will decrease. Here we can see speed decreases when torque is increased. But in braking operation, speed is increases, torque is also increased, but motoring operation, speed decreases when torque is increased. Regenerative braking for DC motor. So this is the shown in the figure, braking and motoring. So regenerative braking of DC motor generates energy is supplied to the source. For this, the following conditions is to be satisfied. The induced EMF is more than the supply voltage, and IA should be negative, armature current is negative. In that case, the motor is working under regenerative braking operation, right? So here the mainly when this regenerative braking occurs is downward motion of loaded hoist mechanism and during flex weakening mode of operation of induction motor. So that is the two cases regenerative braking we will take care, right? So the machine is only the reactive power excitation. So that speed torque characteristics. So this is braking and this is motoring. I will show you. So this is speed. Sorry, this is speed. This is torque. So this is for motoring operation. This is for braking operation. So here the speed is in this speed is increased while torque is increases. Here speed is decreased while torque is increased. So that is the main difference of motoring and braking operation. In motoring operation, speed decreases when torque is increases, also load is increases. Load increases, torque will increase, speed will decrease here. In braking operation, load decreases, speed increase, also torque is also increase. So this is about regenerative braking. One more condition is here. In regenerative braking, induced EMF is more than the supply voltage and IA should be negative. So in next video we'll see about calculation of time and energy loss in transient operations. Okay. So these things we'll see in next video. Okay, thank you everyone.